All right, everyone. Welcome to day 2 of your Live Well challenge in the new year. Workout number 2 is another core exercise, all right? And then you'll have a wonderful yoga practice to follow at the end of the week. Remember to be stretching in between, combining in other forms of movement, cardio, and strength. If you have any questions about that, feel free to reach out. We're going to start today lying down on our backs. So come all the way down for me. Again, under 10 minutes, over 5 minutes every time. Give your knees a giant squeeze. Good. Exhale from there. We're going to take our knees to 90 degrees. Put your hands behind your head, and I want you to crunch up, and as you do, pick up your butt. Good. Give me 8, 7. Double crunch here because we're doing a reverse crunch with a lift of the head, neck, and shoulders. All right? 4. This is not easy. 3, 2, 1. Good. Put your head down now. Just lift up the butt. The goal is control. So can you control your glutes off the ground and your feet to the sky? All right? I want you to feel that energy, that control, and just lift and lift. Good. You're here for 4, 3, 2. Now just crunch, butt stays down, legs stay up. We lift. Good, lift. Keep your feet in the air. I know this is difficult. Crunch up. Good, you're here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Right knee comes in, lay the left leg down. Switch, switch. Notice I lifted my head as we started moving, and I want you to do that as well so you can start to feel the work as we pull the knees in. If you need to support your head, you can use one hand through the movement, okay? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, roll over onto your right. All right. Now you're going to stack your knees one on top of the other. Pull the abdominal muscles in. Press down into the right forearm. Left arm rises. Lift up your hips. Good. Straighten out the top leg and then dip your bottom hip. 8, 7. It's a little different than a side plank dip, because you're using the outside of the leg. So not only are you finding this in your obliques, specifically the bottom one, but you're feeling it a lot in the outside of the bottom knee, so the right leg. Good. Give me 4, 3, 2. One more. 1. Good. Tabletop, hands and knees. Flip it. Tuck your toes, lift your knees, walk forward. 2, 3, freeze, back, 2, 3, 4. Walk up, 2, 3, freeze, back, 2, 3, one more, up, 2, 3, freeze, back, 2, 3, freeze. Knees come down. Left hip comes down, knees stack. Again, forearm is down. So this is not an easier version. This is different. Knees are in. I want you to feel the outside of your hip pop up. Reach the top arm, straighten the top leg, hold. Now lift. So you should feel this in the outside of your left hip, not just in your obliques, all right? Obviously the shoulders too, as you're moving, okay? We have 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift up, hold it. Tabletop, flip it. Good. Bear crawl walks. Pick it up, 2, 3, freeze, back, 2, 3, hold. Up, 2, 3, freeze, back, 2, 3, hold. One more round. Go up, 2, 3, freeze, back. Look at my knees, they stay low. If your butt's in the air, it's easy. Good, drop down. Where we started, on the back, double crunch, head, and then hips. Ready? Set, put them together. Lift, 2, 3. Good. That's 4, so give me 8, 7, come on, 6, 5, 4, 3, legs in the air, 2, 1, legs up, hands come down, pick up your butt, lift, lift. Maybe it's easier. Maybe you're like me and it almost feels harder just because I'm fatigued. Good, lift, lift, lift from the low belly. Come on, guys. Pick up that butt. 4, 3, 2, one more, 1. Good, now pull the left knee in, right leg long. Pick up your head, ready? Switch, switch, switch. If it becomes too difficult, support your head with each rep. Otherwise, in, out, in, out. Good, you're here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rock it up. We have 8 dips right, 8 dips left. Stack the knees. Ready, set, pop it up. Leg, arm. 8, 7. Come on, guys. Good form. 6, 5. Shoulder over bottom elbow. 4, 3, 2, 1. One more. Up, up, up. Hold it. 3, 2. Quick switch. Left side. Complete this with me. Good. Stack the knees. Ready? Shoulder, elbow. Pop up. Leg extends. Arm up. Lift. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Ready, set, pop up. Ready, set, hold it. Done. Awesome work. 2 down. Yoga coming at you guys on Friday. Awesome job today.